Meanwhile, in the United States, the top infectious disease expert, Dr Anthony Fauci, has warned of a possible surge in hospitalization rates due to a rise in the number of infections driven by the Omicron variant. Listen in to what Dr Fauci had to say.
And the virus does seem to have a lower intrinsic pathogenicity to it. We're hoping that's the case. But having said that, George, I want to say one thing. We've got to be careful about that. Because even if you have a less of a percentage of severity, when you have multifold more people getting infected, the net amount is you're still going to get a lot of people that are going to be needing hospitalization.
Now, according to the data from the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the Omicron variant was estimated to be about 58.6% of all coronavirus variants that are presently circulating in the United States. However, with early data suggesting that the latest variant is actually way less severe in terms of the infection that it causes. Now, Fauci has said that the CDC will be coming out with a clarification on whether people with Covid-19 should test negative to leave the isolation wards. As of now, the National Public Health Agency has reduced the recommended isolation period for people with asymptomatic COVID from 5 days to 10. And apart from this, the latest policy does not require testing to confirm that a person is no longer infectious before they are back to work.
The flip side of it, right?
Well, the best piece of news, George, is that if we continue, and I hope that people who are now seeing the devastating effects that this virus has done on us with an Omicron surge, that we get more people vaccinated to the point that when Omicron comes down to a low level, we keep it down at a low level enough that it doesn't disrupt our society, our economy, our way of life. That's what I'm...
Meanwhile, the United States has registered more than 346,000 cases of infections, and this was just last Saturday. And things are actually getting worse in the United States, just as they did at the height of winter last year. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.